Everywhere we go, we definitely need a coffee maker. We found this Easy Basics brand and it's a single serve coffee maker. It is perfect for the RV. I tell you, it is compact, it is sleek looking, and it's very easy to use. So this is how it looks like. We chose the color black and it does have stainless steel on it. The drip tray right here can come out very easily, and you could actually take out the whole tray, and it makes it for such easy cleaning. You turn it to the left to unlock and turn it back to the right to lock it, and it does come up as you unlock. This is where the water would go in. You can see the measurements on the left side there in the blue, and it does come with a reusable pod. You can put your own coffee grounds if you don't want to use your own coffee pods, but we do love this Kirkland signature specific bold, so let's go and test it out. I'm putting 6 ounces of water in it because I love a very dark coffee tasting. I also tried it with the 8 ounce, but I honestly really prefer the 6 ounce. Oh, by the way, this is my coffee bar in the RV. It's very nice. I really love how it turned out. Got my awesome mug from Target, Hearth in hand. So what you do is you press it down and then you turn it to the lock side and you press this button to turn it on. And since this is a single serve coffee maker, it will take about 30 seconds for it to warm up your water before the coffee actually comes out. When I tried it for the first time, I was like, did I turn it on? What's going on? Is mine broken? But yeah, it takes 30 seconds. And when your coffee is ready, you can smell all the goodness right in your home. Alright, this is trying this out in real life in the RV when we actually went camping. That sugar canister was from Target, Hearth in hand. It's the small size. I don't know if they have a small size anymore. And this little clear jar is just randomly found in my house. It's for my creamer. I do have refills, okay, don't worry. And I have this other clear jar here from Hobby Lobby, and I filled it with the coffee stir. And you can check out the links below to find coffee stir straws. That is 800 count. And then when you're done, just open it and then take out the used one and pop in a new one, because you know you gotta make it for your spouse too and not just yourself. They be like, oh, where's my coffee? It's coming, honey. I just love these stoneware mugs from Target. Hearth in Hand has such a beautiful design in their kitchen items. I just want to collect each and every one of this. And this is how it looks like with a taller mug. This is a stainless steel mug that can keep your coffee hot. But anyways, as you can see here in this clip, you can see that this coffee maker is very compact. It does not take so much room at all, especially if you have like a counter spot like I do here. It is perfect and it looks so cute, don't you think? And you can sit on the chair and put your sugar and creamer and then put everything right where it belongs, right next to you. And if you are wondering, what about a wine opener? I want my wine too. Well, I've got a video for you. This is an electric wine opener set. Everything you need right in one spot. Definitely check it out. And now you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.